Do you know how to tell if your computer camera has been hacked and someone is spying on you? I'm the CyberGuy. Have you ever considered that the little webcam on your computer could potentially be used to spy on you? It's a major invasion of privacy because a hacker could see you and your personal space and capture sensitive information, as well as listen to private conversations. Plus, hackers can use webcams to install malware or viruses on your computer. So here's how to check if your webcam has been hacked. First, check the webcam indicator light. If your laptop will have a light turn on when the camera is usually in use, whether it is red, green, or blue, if you see that light turned on or blinking and you know you didn't open an app like Zoom or do anything to make that happen, then someone has likely hacked into your webcam. Next, check your storage files for unknown audio or video files you did not create. You'll also want to be aware of unknown applications on your device that you don't recognize. If you want to physically cover your computer's camera, good idea. There are webcam slide covers available on Amazon. Finally, scan your computer for malware. I've rated my top picks for the year over at my website. Just search Antivirus. And for other steps you can take to protect against hackers, you'll find it at cyberguy.com. And while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.